Hello, Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here today for the reveal of my What's New finished project and process video of that. So I showed you there the combination of things that I used. So this star piece is one that somebody had asked me to use. This is from the Jen Hadfield Flower Child collection. And I had mentioned in my unboxing that I wanted to cut the star out. So I will tell you that the direction of this layout does not go anywhere near what I thought it was going to do, but I'm still pleased with the result. So I am cutting the star out with the, or stars, with the idea that I'm going to take away the inner piece and be stuck with and have the background that I will then back with something to use my photos. But what I don't realize is that doesn't leave me a whole lot of room if I want to maintain the integrity of the star and you still be able to determine that it is a star and have the competition of the movement of all of those lines. So see how that fills that up, and it doesn't leave a whole lot of room for embellishment. So I could have continued along that trajectory and you know it's a star, but I really wanted to maintain all 5 points of the star there. So you can see I tried a different photo, and then I am going to go with a different approach altogether. This is where I have to pivot, and I'm just going to use the inner cut star on that variegated paper there. Absolutely love that variegation. And I love the way that the off skew of the variegated 12 by 12 on that hot pink polka dot sort of just gives you that shot of contrast that the paper kind of needs to ground it a little bit. So when I asked in my reveal what you wanted to see me use, I didn't get a clear-cut answer. I got a little bit of Vicki Boutin's collection. I got a little bit of that star. I also got washi. I did not incorporate the washi. So I just chose a little bit of everything. And I have to laugh because yesterday I shared a memory planner page using these same colors. So pink, orange, and yellow. These are not my favorite colors. I don't like yellow. I don't like pink, and I don't like orange, but I really like all three of them together. And they happen to be perfect for these pictures, these photos of the homemade carrot cake that I made for Easter last year. So not 2023, but 2022, because there's orange carrots and they're on a pink cake decorator stand, cake stand. So it worked out perfectly. And so these are various bits of embellishments that I pulled that have pink, orange, and yellow in them. And they worked perfectly. Like, this is a really short video because it really did not take me long to construct this at all. But what I wanted to show you in this video is how, we tend to get stuck in using a single manufacturer because we've bought that stuff. But this is Maggie Holmes Woodland and Grove. So those are the flowers, the butterflies and the foliage, that orange stuff, and the cards, the pocket cards that say hello and joy that I'm going to journal in. Those are from Vicki Boutin. So, and actually that variegated pattern paper right now that I'm putting down, that is Paige Evans. And then this pink that I'm cutting out the back of, that's sort of framing it on the corner, that is Woodland Grove Maggie Holmes as well. So you can cross color coordinate across collections and still have a perfectly, it's easy, right? All you do is you base it on color, and things come together pretty quickly. So that is essentially the end of the layout. I am going to apply some letter stickers, and I'm going to dive into my stash for those. I can't even tell you they're gold letter stickers. I have no idea what collection they were supposed to go with. I am also going to stitch across those because I find that the heavier chipboard letters don't stay adhered. So I will sew those. I will also machine stitch the edge of that variegated paper there, more just for just a finishing look to it. And then the other thing that I'm going to do off camera is use some letter stickers and they're actually numbers, and just put the year 2022 at the bottom of that enjoy card there. And those are all of the things that I do off camera. So goodies that I've used from my stash. Oh, and then I have this little tab thing here. I love these, and I've started an album. So my daughter went to Europe last summer, and I promised her a travel album, and I have yet to do that because my design team work has just kept me so busy. But I have actually started that, and I'm going to use the Vicki Boutin Where To Next and incorporate that with some digital elements, as well as a couple of other fun things. So I'm excited to get that underway and maybe share bits and pieces. I might just do a flip through of that. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, definitely leave a comment in the box down below, and I will definitely do a flip through of that. So some foam to pop up some of those flowers, again, just for a little bit of dimension. And I put the butterflies in a different spot than where I had them because there's kind of a diagonal line from the top left down to the bottom right there. And I like the way that with just the two butterflies, it continues that line of movement that I have created in the layout there. So this is the wrap up of that. Be sure to head over to Sarah's channel and check out what it is that she did with her goodies from her unboxing and chose to create with that. And I look forward to seeing you next month for the next episode of What's New. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.